Welcome to Atlantic Beach, North Carolina, an enchanting destination where white sands meet crystal clear waters, creating a coastal paradise unlike any other. Get ready as we explore the captivating beauty, rich history, and vibrant real estate opportunities of this beloved coastal gem. The stunning natural beauty is undoubtedly one of Atlantic Beach's most captivating features. From pristine, uncrowded beaches to the lush maritime forests of Fort Macon State Park, nature lovers and adventurers alike find endless fascination here. Fort Macon State Park, a local treasure, invites exploration with miles of scenic trails, historic landmarks, and panoramic ocean views. Visitors enjoy birdwatching, kayaking, and exploring the well-preserved fort, a poignant reminder of the area's strategic past. Atlantic Beach holds a remarkable story dating back centuries. Originally inhabited by native tribes, this region evolved through colonial settlements and significant maritime activities. Fort Macon itself, constructed in the early 1800s, played critical roles in both the Civil War and World War II. Its walls echo tales of bravery, resilience, and the enduring legacy of those who walked here before us. One of Atlantic Beach's iconic landmarks is its bustling piers. As you can see, gracefully extending over the waves, the pier serves as a beloved hub for both locals and visitors. Fishermen cast their lines, hoping to reel in the catch of the day, while sightseers savor panoramic ocean views and gentle sea breezes. On any given day, photographers capture the pier's silhouette against breathtaking sunrises and sunsets. The Atlantic Beach Pier also hosts events and fishing tournaments throughout the year, becoming a vibrant community hub that embodies the spirit and warmth of Atlantic Beach. Family-owned since 1959, the Oceanana Pier stretches nearly 1,000 feet into the ocean, which allows for catching a wide variety of fish. For those who do not fish, the pier is an excellent place for an evening walk to watch the sunset. Moving inland, the dunes of Atlantic Beach are a marvel of resilience. Covered in waving sea oats and native grasses, these dunes act as a natural fortress against storms, preserving not just the coastline, but the wildlife habitats they shelter. Beneath the surface of the Atlantic, a dynamic world unfolds. Vibrant reefs, shipwrecks, and natural rocky outcrops are teeming with marine life. From colorful reef fish to rays gliding effortlessly through the water, the biodiversity here rivals any coastal ecosystem in the Southeast. At the heart of Atlantic Beach lies a charming and lively hub known as the Boardwalk. This beloved stretch captures the very essence of coastal North Carolina, where a vibrant community atmosphere meets timeless seaside traditions. Since its establishment, the Atlantic Beach Boardwalk has been a magnet for visitors seeking relaxation and entertainment alike. Stroll along the bustling boardwalk, and you'll discover unique boutiques, inviting cafes, and local eateries serving everything from fresh seafood to classic beach apparel. Adjacent to the boardwalk, the pristine beach invites guests to unwind, build sand castles, or take a relaxing dip in the gentle surf. With amenities designed to accommodate every visitor, from cozy benches overlooking the ocean to accessible pathways, the Atlantic Beach Boardwalk embodies coastal hospitality at its finest. Atlantic Beach isn't just a vacation destination, it's a place many proudly call home. Real estate in Atlantic Beach beautifully showcases coastal Carolina architecture. From elegant beach cottages and stylish condominiums overlooking the Atlantic Ocean to sprawling estates nestled behind dunes and maritime forests, there's something for everyone seeking their own slice of paradise. At the heart of the action, near the famous Atlantic Beach Boardwalk and the Circle, you'll find lively neighborhoods that blend vibrant social life with beachside convenience. Club Colony and Atlantic Beach Isles are popular choices for families and retirees, offering a charming mix of coastal homes, green spaces, and community spirit. These neighborhoods boast tree-lined streets, meticulously landscaped gardens, and community events that foster deep-rooted connections among residents. Choosing to live or invest in Atlantic Beach means embracing a lifestyle characterized by relaxation, community, and enjoying one of nature's finest beaches. Whether you're seeking a dream home, a family getaway, or an investment property, Atlantic Beach's diverse real estate market promises a welcoming community where life's greatest memories unfold, one coastal sunrise at a time. Through community initiatives and active participation, Atlantic Beach stands as a model for coastal sustainability, highlighting the balance between development and preservation. Thank you for joining Port City Heights on this unforgettable journey. We invite you to discover, explore, and fall in love with Atlantic Beach, a hidden treasure along North Carolina's Crystal Coast.
Welcome to Port City Heights. your gateway to an expansive online stock library of stunning aerial footage. Explore our expansive online stock footage library, boasting an ever-expanding array of breathtaking aerial images and videos. It's a haven for marketers, filmmakers, and content creators in pursuit of that picture-perfect shot. What makes us stand out? Our hassle monthly subscription. Dive into a realm of awe-inspiring aerial content with the liberty to explore. Take your project to new heights with Port City Heights. Visit our website to explore our stock library.